A cane user walks. The title of this video is O&M, Human Guide Technique, presented by the Kansas State School for the Blind. Various shots of a guide and student walking together. Human guide is a mode of travel which allows a person who is blind or visually impaired to travel safely in any environment. This technique utilizes a guide who leads the traveler. A human guide can be a person with a visual impairment or a person who is sighted. This short video will cover the basics of human guide technique. The first step in human guide technique is to introduce yourself and offer assistance to the traveler. Remember that people who are blind or visually impaired will not always want or require assistance. Please do not be offended if the person chooses not to accept your help. If assistance is accepted, place the back of your hand to the back of the traveler's hand. At this time, the traveler will move his or her hand to the space above your elbow. The traveler should maintain a firm but comfortable grip. If the traveler is carrying a cane, it can be held in the free hand or tucked in the gripping hand between the palm and the guide's arm. The guide can keep his or her leading arm straight and relaxed during travel. The traveler should walk slightly behind and to the right or to the left of the traveler, depending on which arm the traveler is gripping. It is important to remember that the traveler is an active participant in human guide technique. When a traveler is being led by a person who is unfamiliar with human guide technique, it is the responsibility of the traveler to explain correct hand placement, as well as the expectations of a human guide, such as making the traveler aware of upcoming stairs, doorways, or unexpected obstacles. The next video, Human Guide Technique, Stairs and Doorways, will cover several more aspects of human guide, as well as how to lead a traveler when encountering stairs and when walking through doorways. For assistance in finding your local certified orientation and mobility specialist, please visit the Kansas State School for the Blind's Field Services page, which you will find linked in the description box. The logo for the Kansas State School for the Blind. Fade to black.